Hello, welcome to Overnight Hustle. So in today's video I want to introduce to you guys Bondex mining application. With this application you can start mining for free, and I think a lot of us guys would think most of the mining or airdrop applications are not worth it. So but just keep up mining. It's for free, you don't have to be doing any work. So I'll just head over to the app, then I will show you guys around. You don't need to do much work. Just open your app each day and keeps mining for you. So I'm going to drop the registration link in the bio of this video, then you can follow up and register an account. So this is how my Bondex origin app looks like. So for you to get this app, you just go to Play Store and type Bondex. Okay, so why are they giving free token? Why is Bondex giving free token? Okay, Bondex is giving free token because they want to launch their own exchange. So with your participation, they are going to reward you for keeping their server active and improving and test running their server. So all you just need to be doing every day, just for you to open your Bondex app and click on start mining. So once you're done, it will start mining. So you can also improve the rate of your mining by uploading a video profile yourself. You can set some things. Okay, so I think that's all about it with Bondex, and I want to also encourage you guys to watch over my last video on a Gaga node. Go through the video and also register through the link and start following up. So guys, we are going to make money in 2023. It was all about persistence and consistency. I hope you got some value. See you in the next video.